Hello. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. This is your mathematics class, and we will just start here the summer course program we are telling you. And what is about the summer course? Whatever we discuss now in this case. Today I'll just discuss about the in previous class we discussed about trigonometric functions. So we already know that sine 90 all angles. Pandit Badri Prasad our board we have discussed, that is sin theta b by h, cos theta b by h, tan theta. So sine some formula we have to discuss here. Some formulas of trigonometric functions which is necessary for us to discuss here, because that is essentially requirement for us. Sin a plus b, sin a minus b. Sin a plus b is one formula, and that we have discussed sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Just to remember this formula, sin a minus b also another formula here. Just discuss sin a minus b, that is equal to sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Just to remember sin a plus b and sin a minus b, when both are add together, what is the results? When add together this value, then cos a sin b is cancelled. So sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. That is same thing if produced here. This is minus and sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b is produced here. Remember here, that is the only one production. We have one formula also. This is produced here. 2 sin a cos b is also another formula. You remember this one. Sin a plus b also a formula. Sin a minus b also a formula. But sin 90 plus theta, sin 90 minus theta, we can produce here. Just to remember, sin a plus b and sin a minus b. And just we apply the formula sin 90 minus theta and sin 90 plus theta. We already know that all angles. What is the sin 0 degree? What is the sin 30 degree? Just 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. And just root over this value. Then up to 90 degree value, you remember. When you simplify this value 0 by 4, that is square root also 0. 1 by 4 square root is 1 by 2. And 2 by 4, that is 1 by root 2. And 3 by 4 root over the root 3 by 2. And that is 1. So just we know this is the angle of sin 30 degree. Sin 0 degree is first. Sin 30 degree is half. Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. And sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. Sin 90 degree is 1. So up to 90 degree, we have confirmed this value. Sin 0 is 0 degree, sin 30 is half, sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, and sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. And sin 90 degree is equal to 1. That is, we know that one. When you just remember, sin 90 degree, when we back this here, cos, this is the cos angle, and cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is root 1 by 2, cos 90 degree is 0. So we have already mentioned here the values of the sine cos 0 degree, that is 1, cos 30 degrees, that is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 degree, that is 1 by 2, and cos 0 degree is 0. So these are the formula when you remember. This is the concept of the remembering point. What is the angle of up to 90 degree? We have easily find out this region, right? Up to 90 degree, we have to easily find out this. What is the process to remembering this one up to 90 degree? Above 90 degree, how to know the value of above 90 degree? That's why above 90 degree, that is sine A plus B. Sine A plus B, we have remembered. This is above 90 degree formula we have to apply. Sine A plus B. That is sine A plus B plus cos A sine B. Just remember this one value. What is the value? When A is substitute 90 degree, right? In sine 90, 90 plus B. When more than 90 degrees sine is applicable, then what is the value? Sine A is 90 degrees, sine 90 cos B plus cos 90 sine B. From only this result, you just remember when sine 90 is given, sine 90 value is given, cos 90 value is given. Already, if you unknown this value also, prepare this table. Sine 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. So, let's substitute here. Sine 90 is 0, 1, that is in cos B. Cos 90 is 0, there is only cos B. So, what is the value sine 90 plus theta? Sine 90 plus B, that is cos B. That is cos B, because we remember up to 90 degree. If any degree we add in place of B, sine 30 degree just in plus. Sine 90 plus 30. That is cos 30. Then sine 90 plus 30. That is sine 120 degree. That is cos 30 value are same. That is 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2, right? Root 3 by 2. Sine 120 degree, that is cos 30. And cos 30, we have already discussed here. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Your representation. Similarly, 30, then you plus 45 degree. Sine 90 plus 45 degree. That is also 1 degree got here. 130 cos 135 degree. Cos 135 value, that is cos 45 value. That is same cos 90 plus 45, that is cos 45, right? Cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree same as the sine 135 degree. So you remember sine 135 degree. 135 degree is equal to cos 45 degree. What is the value of cos 45 degree? That is 1 by root 2. Okay. 1 by root 2. That is when we plus the 45 degree, when we plus the 30 degree. Again, when we plus the 45 degree, then we plus the 60 degree. Sine 90 plus 60 degree. Same as the cos 60 degree, right? Cos 60 degree is 1 by root 2 also. 1 by 2. So one sine 150 degree, that is also value sine 150 degree is equal to cos 60 degree. That is 1 by root 2, not 1 by 2. Then when we add the 60 degree, and when with the 90 cos 90 is 0, so sine 2 pi is 0, just remember sine 2 pi. Sine 90 plus 90, that is cos 90 value is equal. Remember, sine 180 degree. Sine 180 degree is same as the cos 90 degree. So cos 90 degree value is 0. So cos 180 degree is equal to 0 degree, right? So cos 2 phi, cos phi value is 0. Cos phi value is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the angles we represent here. Plus sine value. We remember all the value. Sine, just you remember sine case. Sine 0 degree, you remember. Then what is the value? Sine 30 degree, just remember. Then 45 degrees, remember. Then 60 degrees, remember. Then 90 degrees, remember. 90 plus 30, 120 degrees, remember. 90 plus 45, 135 degrees, remember. And 90 plus 60, 150 degrees. These are the angles of sine 0 degree. We have mentioned 0, just remember here. Sine 0 degree, 0. Sine 30, that is 1 by 2. 1 by root 2. Plus 60, that is root 3 by 2. Plus 90, that is 1. Then just 120, that is cos 30 degree. Right? Cos 30 degree put here. Cos 30. What is the cos 30? That is root 3 by 2. Cos 30. Cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. 135. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. What is the cos 30? Remember here cos 30? Cos 30 root 3 by 2, right? Cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. Again, cos 45. This is cos 45, 1 by root 2. And that is cos 60, 1 by 2. Then finally we come here cos 180 degree 0. Cos 90, 0. Just to remember how to remember all the angles of sine theta. From 0 to this degree, just remember that is a one condition up to 90. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 3 by 2, 1. Again, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. Again, reverse this value. And this is the value all unproduced here. That is sine 90 plus theta. We apply the formula sine 90 plus theta and all the angles we just remember. 0, 30, 45, 90, 60, 90. 90 plus 30, that is 120, 90 plus 45, 135, 90 plus 60, 150, 90 plus 90, 180. These are the all angles of sine theta. Nothing to remember all the angles value, just to remember this condition. Really easily you can evaluate this sine 30 degree. Okay. Again, sine value, these are the sine angle value we have description. Okay. Again, we comes just to discuss cos, not cos, only for sine. Sine 90 minus theta, right? That is cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta. What is the value of sine 90 minus theta? Because you check here, sine 90 minus theta, sine A minus B formula you have to adopt here, right? Sine A minus B. What is your formula sine A minus B? Sine A minus B, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Just you put 90 sine A minus B. So what is the formula? Sine A cos B minus of cos A sine B. That is your formula you have to adopt put here. So concept of this basic of trigonometric function. A just put 90 degree. Sine 90 minus B, right? And that is same as the value of sine 90 cos B minus cos 90 sine B. Just you remember here. The sine 90 has already 1. We have to disturb cos 90 is 0. Then what is the value? Cos B sine t minus sine 90 minus theta, that is also cos B. Sine 90 minus B, that is also cos B. If 13 minus sine 90 minus 13, 90 minus 13, that is cos 30. Okay, so that is 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. Okay, that is the another formula to for sine functions. Okay, just remember this angle. Again, you remember what is the how to remember the all angles of the sine theta. Sine 0 degree, that is 0, sine 90, sine 30, that is 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2 plus 6, sine 60, root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Again, just reverse right down. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. Just plus 30, 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree value, root 3 by 2. And 90 plus 45, that is 135, 1 by root 2. And that is 60, 150, then 180. All the angles you have to present here. You just remember this value. Okay? So that is the tricks, how to solve and how to get problems. Okay? Thank you for today's program. You have to learn properly and get the successful way for your life. Thank you. We'll see again next class.